had the hiccups. But I think they disappeared now. No, they are. Oh, Lord. Freaking hiccups. They won't go away. I'm sorry. I can't get rid of these stupid freaking hiccups. Oh, gosh. How do you get rid of hiccups? Jesus. I had the freaking giggles. Wait, I think they might be gone. Like, every time I hiccup, I burp. I can't. Sorry. I was going to make a video, but the hiccups won't go away. Gosh. Okay, yeah. So much for the video. See if there's any more in there. I think they're gone now. I hope they're gone. It's too freaking funny.